Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a logo on every page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert logo on every page. Go to the Insert menu, then select the header option. Then go back the again insert menu, select the picture option. Then choose a logo from our file and insert it. Then go to the master page section and select close master page. Now we can see we insert logo on every page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.